Welcome back. This is part two, where we are going to show you how to navigate the Binance app, specifically Binance Light. There is a Light and a Pro toggle switch that we'll show later, but we're just going to go through this simple, short and sweet menu of Binance Light. So let's jump right into it and open the Binance app up.
So once you open your Binance app, you should see a screen like this. And I'm going to go briefly through what each of these screens represents. But first and foremost, we want to come up here to the Binance logo, hit that, and make sure your account is verified so that you'll be able to make purchases. We will also come down here later to use Binance Pro to actually make our first purchase, because I have found that to be the easiest using the peer-to-peer network. But for now, we're just going to go through the Lite version, which is what we're on now. All right, so on the home screen, you see down here, we have markets. That's what we're looking at right here, which basically shows you the top tokens or coins that are trending and what their price performance is within the last 24 hours and how much it costs for one whole token. Here, the square tab is where you can get the latest news and what's been people to follow, what's trending, also the Binance Academy, so you can learn about new things that are coming up. Definitely a great place to get educated if you're not familiar. Then we're going to skip over the trade and we're going to go to the discover. This is where you would be able to stake your crypto assets if you purchase them. Basically, it's like a savings account for your crypto. We're not going to be using it because on the digital crypto solutions, you can actually earn more, but just want you to see the yield that is available for Bitcoin is only 0.28% per year. So that's not a lot. Definitely not going to help you get out of the rat race and start accumulating wealth. But just so you know, it is there. Next, we're going to go to the portfolio. See, there we go. Would show you all of the assets you currently have and their balances and the USD value or whatever your country equivalent is. If you want to see that in real time, you could click the little eye up here that I currently have closed just to hide the balances that I have.
And that's all we're going to do in this video. So this was just a brief overview of how to use Binance Light and the navigation through the available options. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll actually purchase our first digital assets.